Hello everyone, my name is Jerry Mbasso. I recently got offered a role in the UK as a business analyst. I got my role with the NHS and it was all made possible by Almond Careers. I did my studies at Almond Careers between December 2021 to May 2022, and I can tell you that they were very instrumental in my journey. I got the hands-on training I needed to be able to apply for jobs and be visible for those jobs. I got my role from Lagos, yes, right here from Lagos. So these things are there, these opportunities are there. It's for you to soak up everything that you learn from Almond Careers and apply everything that they teach you. I'll just say jump into it. It's a 5 months program, so the earlier you start the better. So thank you, Almond Careers, and yeah, good luck to everyone.